If you're looking to manage client subscriptions in Vendasta, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to easily handle subscriptions and give you some key tips to make your life simpler. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share how you can use this software for free with some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. First things first, when you're managing client subscriptions in Vendasta, you'll want to access the Subscriptions section within your platform. This is where you can track all the active, pending, or canceled subscriptions for your clients. Next, you'll want to select the client you're working with. Just head to your Clients tab and you'll see a list of all your customers. You can either search for a specific client or scroll through your list to find them. Once you select the right client, you'll have a full overview of their current subscriptions. The third thing you'll do is manage the client's active subscriptions. This includes adding new services, adjusting plans, or even upgrading or downgrading current subscriptions based on their needs. It's super flexible. Now, if you need to cancel or suspend any subscriptions for a client, you can do that easily by selecting the subscription in question and clicking the Cancel or Suspend option. This gives you full control to ensure you're meeting your client's needs and budget. It's also a great way to prevent any unwanted charges. The fifth thing you'll want to keep in mind is the billing settings. With Vendasta, you can automate billing for your clients, making it easier for both you and them. Just make sure that your payment settings are up to date, so your clients aren't missing out on any invoices or reminders. Next up, don't forget about the reporting tools. These tools let you track all subscription activity in one place, giving you a detailed overview of each client's status, which can help you manage renewals or even upsell them on additional services. Vendasta makes it simple to spot trends, so you can offer better, more personalized services. Finally, if you want to make sure you're giving your clients the best experience, stay proactive with support. Vendasta offers a support team that's ready to help with any subscription issues, whether it's with billing, services, or technical problems. You can easily reach them through the platform. Remember, you can get started with Vendasta for free using the exclusive link below. This gives you access to all the tools you need to manage client subscriptions effectively, and you'll also get some special bonuses to make the most of your free trial. So, if you're ready to take full control of your client subscriptions with Vendasta, make sure to check the link below and get started with your extended free trial today.